Hi everyone, so today we're outdoors. We're going to be testing all the different flight modes. I'm also going to be testing the battery life, but I'm actually going to be using the time from the video. It's going to be a little hard for me to turn the timer on as well as turn the camera on and turn the drone on, so I am just going to use the timing that I have from my footage. So what I'm going to be doing now is connecting the Tello to my phone, and then we're going to be playing around with the different flight modes. So here we go. I'm going to start the drone, and to emit the Wi-Fi, I'm going to connect to the Wi-Fi, and then we're going to start off with the throw and go flight mode. Put this in my pocket. Alright, so this is now connected. What I'm going to do is turn on my screen recorder, record, wait for it to start recording, and then I'm going to now select the flight mode for throw and go. Tap the icon above and the propellers will begin rotating slowly. Gently toss the aircraft upward and outward within the 5-second countdown. 2. And there you go. You can feel the actual motors starting up when you throw it out. So I'm going to move it down a little bit and move it closer to us. Move it down. Okay. So here we go. We're going to try the different flight modes. I'm going to flip this around just so that it's easier for me to fly it. Alright, I'm going to now try the up and out. So let me turn this back around so that it faces us and it would back up the right way. Start the recording on the video so you guys can see me. And then I'm going to now do the up and out. So it would back out slowly. Oh, I have it going kind of diagonal, but it's okay. So you guys get the idea. I'm going to come back. Face me this time. So I'm already at 86% right now. Now let's try the second one. We're going to do the 360. This is going to rotate exactly where it's standing. I mean, exactly where it's flying. So let's get it closer so you guys can see. Alright, now let's do the 360. You guys can see it will start rotating. And it started the video by itself, actually. Recording the video by itself, I mean. Alright, I'm going to stop it. And then now we're going to try the circle mode. This one, hopefully I will not hit myself. So let's go and just hit circle. And it would do a point of interest flight. So you can see it's rotating and starting a video as well. So for the 360, it rotates at its spot where it is flying. Whereas the circle, it will actually turn around and film the point of interest. The next one is bounce mode. It should automatically fly up and down. Alright, so I'm going to stop it. Go down, move up a little bit closer to the camera. And the next one, I'm going to do the flips. So we have 65% left. I am going to flip back. Oh, almost hit my camera. I'm going to move back more and try the other flips. Uh-oh, it's raining. And then I'm going to try I believe that is all of our modes. So since it's raining right now, I am just going to let it run the battery and we'll see where we get. I'm just going to fly it around and try to kill the battery. It flies very, very smooth, kind of like a GPS drone actually. So I'm going to bring this down now since it's raining, and I'm going to be doing the battery test on another day. So I'm going to auto land and bring this inside. So as you guys just saw, I actually tried to exhaust my battery outdoors, but because of the rain, I had to come back in just to make sure that my drone as well as my camera that I'm recording on doesn't get damaged. Luckily for me, I actually had recorded a earlier video with the drone trying to go through the flight modes as well as the battery life, but because I didn't get to go through all of the flight modes before the battery was exhausted, I had still did a timer video. So I do have the battery life for this, but I wanted to go through it again. So I did go through all of the flight modes. As I mentioned before, it was pretty easy to get everything started. The battery life from the first try to record this video was 11 minutes and 6 seconds. If you guys remembered, last week when I was doing the indoor hover battery test, it was 11 minutes and 16 seconds. So with me flying it outdoors and playing with the different flight modes and actually exhausting the battery that way, I got 10 seconds less battery life than I did than when I was just hovering indoors. I'm actually very surprised with the amount of battery life I was able to get outdoors. There's very minimal wind the first time I was flying, and I was playing with the different flight modes and it was just flying around, zipping around, and 11 minutes and 6 seconds. So if you're looking for a little toy drone to fly around for a little bit on just one battery, 11 minutes isn't too bad. Especially outdoors. There will be standalone batteries available. I just checked today on B&H and they're available for pre-order for $19. It is kind of expensive, but if you do want to fly a little bit more, you can go ahead and buy a battery. Thank you guys for tuning into today's drone video. We're going to be working on a DIY project that will be released on Saturday. Stay tuned, and if you guys want a little hint, we're going to be working with some LEDs. So come and join us on Saturday for our DIY video, and I will see you guys next time, and happy flying.